YouTube. What's up, subscribers? Thank you so much for tuning in to another little quick tip. And I had 3 signings and I am done. Boom, boom, boom. They done. So what did I have today? I had 2 loan mods and I had a power of attorney with an elderly female at one of the assisted living facilities here. The power of attorney was, I think, 9 pages. The last page was the most important page. It had all of the information about the signer, which is the principal. It had all the information about the person that she was giving her power to, which is the agent. And it had both witnesses information on page number 9. Now I'm going to tell you, I like those kinds or those types of power of attorneys because the attorney drafted the power of attorney and it was like a template where he typed in all of the information. There was not a lot for us to write out manually. I like those types of power of attorneys where you're not doing a lot of writing. You literally have paid the attorney whatever you paid them to complete the power of attorney, and it was boom, 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 and we were out of there. I was able to meet a realtor by the name of Christy. She was amazing. She was literally one of the witnesses, and she's also probably going to be helping the family with other documents and other services as well. So I was able to partner with a realtor, got a chance to meet her. We got some things set up, lined up that we're going to do to help each other. And I'm excited about that. The other 2 documents, again, were loan mods. They were from, I think, Rocket Mortgage with both of them. I received both of those orders from First American. They took 15 minutes. The fee for each one of them was amazing. And so I knocked out 3. I am done for the day. I'm excited and I am sitting here. I've mailed both loan mods. Both of them were FedEx. And of course, the power of attorney I left there with the son of the principal. And so I am done, quick and easy. And I'm doing this video. I will shoot you a few photos of my day with the realtor. And I did make a Facebook post of the notary life, or the notary and the realtor life. And so we had fun today. And so I'm on to the next. I'm done. I'm going to get some lunch. I hope all of you have a great weekend. I hope you are picking up those signings. I hope you're hitting the I'm available button. I hope that you are printing and prepping. And if you have to label them, guess what? You got to do what you got to do. I did not do any of the documents today because they were only like 20 pages or less. Okay? And so I wish all of you a great weekend. Take care. And until the next, I'm Ronnie signing off. I'm from Florida, from the Sunshine State. And guess what? Today is beautiful. It's not raining. It's not cold. And it's not windy. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.